You always got options. In the beginning, I didn't want to show my face on Instagram and any other social media platform. So I had to find ways to use the tools that get a lot of traffic and that can boost my brand and make them work for me. This is what I did. Stop being frustrated about the algorithm and making yourself believe it's not working in your favor. Instead, understand that you have options. We all have options. Instead of showing my face on camera, I started a podcast and I started doing mood videos with my voiceover. So I didn't show my face, but I showed my voice. If you now say, okay, I don't want to show my face and I don't want to talk and let people hear my voice, then work with subtitles. You have options. Work with, written text, write a blog, and find ways to turn that into videos. There are so many tools out there. You have options. Find the platform and tool that's getting a lot of traffic right now. So, for example, Reels are getting pushed like crazy, but I see a lot of people not using them because you might think, oh, this is not my personality. I don't want to do a weird TikTok dance to educate my customers. So find ways that work for you. Do a video with a voiceover or use video with subtitles. Create mood videos. You have options. You just have to find and combine your personality with the tool that you have. So what's a tool that you want to use but you haven't started yet? Leave it down below and we'll find a solution together.